here is how to fix a JavaScript error occurred in the main process, which can happen with Discord or similar apps like Skype. So first you will need to go to the settings, or you can right click on Windows icon and then click on installed apps. And now you can simply click search for C++ redistributables. And then you'll find redistributables like this, Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 to 2022. Make sure to click on the 64-bit or similar to your system. I'm going to click on this and click modify, then confirm, and then click on repair, and let's wait for it to repair the redistributables. Now once the repair is successful, you can close this. Now you can open the task manager and then look for the app causing the error, for example Discord in my case, and then you make sure you end task if Discord is already running. Select and click end task. Now you can simply go back to the installed apps again and then search for Discord or the other app causing the error. Now you can click three dots here and click uninstall to completely uninstall the app. And now you will need to open the task manager. I need to open the CMD or command line. You can type CMD and then run as admin. And now you will need to type gp update / force and then press enter and wait for it to execute the command. Now once it completes the policy update, you can close this. And now you will need to open the task manager again, and then this time we will look for services. You can click on services here, and then on the top right click on open services. And now we will need to look for quality Windows audio video experience. You can simply click anywhere and type Q, and it should take us to this service here, quality Windows audio video experiences or experience. Now double click on it and make sure the startup type is set to automatic, and then if the service status is stopped, make sure you press start in here and wait for it to run, and then you can simply click apply and OK. Now finally you can close this and then go back to the Discord website, discord.com, or the other app that was causing the error, for example Skype, but you will download that from the Microsoft Store. You can simply click download for Windows, and then once the download is complete, you can double click it and install Discord again, and that should fix the problem. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.